छ है सतसिधम पश्चिममा बडा क्षेत्र त्यही बराबरी त्यो डाँडामाथि त्यही बराबरी त्यो डाँडामाथि बस्छन् मैना राजा मैना रानी किरात देव हुन्थे दुवै दिन्छन् आशिष खुसी मानी किरात देव हुन्थे दुवै दिन्छन् आशिष खुसी मानी
It is not bad to cut trees, but it is bad not to plant trees after cutting trees. With this beautiful thought, we are here to start this beautiful morning assembly.
शुभ प्रभात यहाँ उपस्थित सबैजनालाई आजको बनकुसुम सदनको बिहानी सभा सञ्चालन गर्न म टेक्रा आचार्य र मेरी प्यार दिदी सृजना कल्डे यहाँ उपस्थित भइसकेका छौँ
I guess our first performance done by our sisters and brothers was really interesting, and I hope all of us enjoyed and entertained yourself.
आहा हामी अचम्मको प्रकृतिमा बसेका रहेछौँ उत्तरतिर बुढा सुब्बा दक्षिणतिर बुढा सम हो रे दिदी काव्य विद्यालयमा अहिलेसम्म भएका नौला तथा अविस्मरणीय कुराहरूले तपाईँले बिर्सिनु त भएको छैन नि
Whether forgotten or remember, the facts always remain. So to ask your flashback questions related to Kavya school, our friend Susan Das Bhandari is invited here.
A warm good morning to Kavya school. This is Mrs. Sandas Bhandari to ask a flashback quiz question related to Kavya school. This question goes to Prometheus house. When was Kavya school established? Correct answer. The correct answer is 2007 AD. This question goes to Sulochana house. When was the recent Kavya election held? And to repeat my question, when was the recent Kavya election held? The correct answer is 10 May Thursday 2018. This question goes to Sakuntal house. How many football cup Kavya school has won till date? The correct answer is 9 cup. This question goes to Bana Kusum house. Who was the 7th captain and vice captain of Kavya school? Correct answer. The correct answer is Charlie Thapa and Newton Raj Bhandari. This question goes to teachers. Who is the oldest teacher till date? Correct answer. The correct answer is Sabina ma'am and Thamnath Guruba. This question goes to whole school. When did Kavya and Beijing China sign the agreement of friendship? The correct answer is 27 June 2017. Thank you. At last I want to say save nature, save earth.
धन्यवाद सुशान्त दाइलाई दिदी म एउटा शायरी भन्छु ल
Yes, brother, please go on.
वातावरण यस्तो होस् हेरिरहँ लागोस् जीवन यति सुन्दर होस् कि बाँचिरहँ लागोस्
Oh my God, brother, what a great Sairi. Now to tell more facts about Nepal, our brother Deep Singh is invited here.
Hello, good morning to Kavya school. It's me Deep Singh Mohra here going to tell amazing facts related to Nepal. Number 1. The highest mountain in the world, the Mount Everest is in Nepal. Everest is also called Sagarmatha in Nepali, which translates to forehead of the sky. In the local Sherpa and Tibetan language, Everest is called Chomolungma, which means goddess mother of the world. Nepal is only the country having a non-rectangular flag. Number 3. The only living goddess Kumari is found here. Number 4. Nepal started its border in 1949. Number 5. About 19% of Nepal is covered by national parks and its protected areas. Number 6. It is said that Nepal has the largest moth in the world, Atlas moth. Number 7. Nepal has the densest concentration of World Heritage Sites. Thank you. धन्यवाद दीप सिंह दाई
Brother, do you know how many planets are there in solar system?
थाहा छैन दिदी मलाई त पृथ्वीको बारेमा मात्र थाहा छ
Oh my God, you only know about Earth. Now, to give more information on the planets present in solar system, our small brothers and sisters sisters are invited here.
A warm good morning to everyone, respected teachers, brothers, sisters and my dear friends. Today, me and my brothers sisters are here to present on solar system. Hey dudes, do you recognize me? Just guess. Let me give you a few hints. I wake you up every morning and I'm like a big light bulb over the air. Most of the light and energy on earth comes from me. Now do you know who I am? Good, you are right. I am sun. Do I look cool in this way? I may look cool, but I am very hot. I am like a ball of hot burning gases. I am made up of 75% of hydrogen gas and 25% of helium gas. And do you know, the earth is so far away from me that my light takes 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach the earth. And let me tell you one thing. The people around the world worship me. They think I am God's. But let me tell you one thing. I am not alone in the sky. There are many stars and many more things in the sky. I have a family called solar system. So here, let me introduce them one by one. There are total 9 members including me in my family. They are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These 8 members of my family are called planets and my family is called solar system.
Hi everybody, I am Mercury. All the planets like me keep moving around the sun uncle. And let me tell you, I'm the closest to my sun uncle. The temperature at my surface is very high. There's neither air nor water. I don't have moon. Hello, I am surrounded by clouds. That's why few people call me Weird Planet. I am the brightest planet amongst all, as I am close to Sun Uncle. I am the hottest among all the planets. All the planets move anti-clockwise, but I move backward, which is clockwise. People on the earth call me morning and evening star, as I can be seen in morning and evening. Like Mercury, I also don't have moons.
You all know me very well. You all live on my surface. You see blue portion on my body. These all are oceans and seas. And green portion on my body are land where you all live. But 70% of my body is covered with water. I am also called blue planet. Like other planets, I also move around the sun. It takes me 365 days to take one round. I also keep rotating. Due to my rotation, day and night happens. Let me tell you one more fact about myself. Like you know, Mercury and Venus don't have moon, but I have one moon. It is called my satellite. Oh, I am feeling so tired. This is because of the smoke and pollution that you are creating on my surface. Please stop polluting. Now I have to take a rest, but don't go anywhere. I am calling planet Mars to talk to you.
I am also known as the red planet as I am covered with dust. I have the largest volcano of solar system. My name comes from the Roman god of war. My size is half of the earth and my gravity is also half of the earth. Due to the low gravity, you can jump 3 times higher on me. Earth, if you jump 1 feet higher on earth than on me, you can jump 3 feet as the earth pulls it on more than me. Oh, the biggest planet of solar system is coming. I get to go now, bye. Hi. I am the biggest planet of the solar system. Everybody is so scared of me. My size is so big that all the other planets can fit in me. But I am very fast. I take only 10 hours to rotate, but the Earth takes 24 hours. People also call me the vacuum cleaner of the solar system as I suck all the dust and comets from the space. Do you know that I pull everything towards me with more force than Earth? If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you will weigh 40 pounds on my surface. Can you see rings around me? Oh yes, I also have rings, but you can't see them from the Earth, even with a telescope.
I am the most beautiful planet due to my beautiful rings. My rings are made up of ice crystal. Few other planets also have rings, but you can see my rings from Earth too. I am not dense. I can float in water like a rubber ball due to my low density. I'm the second biggest planet in the solar system, but I'm also the lightest. I also have the highest number of moons. Let me tell you one very cool fact about myself. If a storm starts here, it can continue for months and many times for years. Cool, isn't it? Also, you can't stand on me. I'm full of gases. I have a lot of helium gas which you fill for flying balloons. Is it a Saturday on Earth today? Oh, sorry, tomorrow is Saturday. But let me tell you, Saturday name comes from me. Uranus, Uranus. Hi, I'm Uranus. Oh, I look like falling on one side. Yes, I'm like this only, but don't worry, I won't fall. Let me ask you one question. How long does the season last on Earth? 3 months? 6 months? You would be amazed to know that the season duration on my surface is for 20 years. This is due to my tilt. Like Saturn, also have rings. It is made up of dust particles. I'm very far from sun. I get very little sunlight. I'm a cold planet.
Hi guys, I'm Neptune. I'm the coldest planet as I'm farthest from the sun. You can see me from the earth by naked eyes. You need a special telescope to see me as I'm very far from the sun. My time to take round around the sun is also the longest. Just imagine, I take 165 years to complete one round around the sun. And do you know my blue color comes from methane gas in my atmosphere? I have the strongest wind in my solar system.
So now you have met all of my family. Okay, we gotta go now. Bye bye.
धन्यवाद मेरा प्यारा साथीहरू र भाइ बहिनीहरूलाई।
Brother, isn't what is really interesting?
थियो नि दिदी, अचम्मको थियो।
Now to end this beautiful morning assembly, I would like to call our sister here to tell thought for the day.
A warm good morning to Kavya School. It's me Sadiksha Rai representing Bana Kusum Southern here to tell thought of the day. And my thought of the day goes like this. Nature always wears the color of spirit. I want to repeat it again. Nature always wears the color of spirit. Thank you. Save nature, save earth.
धन्यवाद प्यारे साथी सदिक्षालाई। सबैजना लम्बद्ध परेर आफ्नो लाइनमा बस्दिन अनुरोध गर्दछु।